Hello everyone, I am Aditya and this is Aditya's Talent Show. So today we are playing Plants vs Zombies game. Let me tell you about it. You should press this adventure button. Let me show you this Suburban Almanac first. It has all information about plants and animals. These are all the plants I have. And these are all the zombies that have attacked me. This is the strongest zombie, football zombie. Now I am in night stage. Level 7. I have crossed the day stage. I should play level 7 now in night stage. We can see levels of pool stage as I am playing night stage. We can't see the levels of neither fog nor roof stage until we start playing pool stage. See? So let's play level 7. I was already playing in which I am losing. So let's start a new match. This is my house. Let me choose the plants. We can only choose 7 plants. These are the zombies, these guys. See? They are football zombie, door zombie, cone zombie. This many plants are yet to be owned by me. See? Their zombies are dangerous. From these graves they will all come. Let's play. Let me plant this mushroom. It needs 0 sun to be planted. It can only destroy a normal zombie in night. Sun does not fall, so we need to plant sunflowers. When we get sun, we get 25 sun at a time. See, I am planting mushrooms, more mushrooms. These are our first barrier. Zombies have started invading us. The normal zombies are too slow. See, they are coming very slow. Planted one more sunflower. One sunflower costs 50 sun. See, the mushrooms defeated a normal zombie in 1 minute. They will defeat it in 1 minute. You will be seeing. Now I can plant another sunflower. See, they defeated in 1.5 minute. I have planted 3 sunflowers. Now we should at least plant 3. So I have planted 4. This is the castle. You can say that it is our source. I have planted 5 sunflowers. Let's build the second barrier as the first barrier is complete. These are our second barriers. They are large mushrooms. This black plant, it has air that can only be planted on graves. It eats up the graves. But now let us concentrate on our second barrier. The second barrier is strong. Our second barrier is not complete yet. Only 2 large mushrooms are planted. 2 more large mushrooms to finish our barrier. See how fast they will put the bubbles. The zombies lose quickly. First barrier is only for emergencies, so it will not attack fast. Our second barrier is complete. See, as soon as the zombie, I will show you. As soon as what will happen, as soon as the zombie will eat the pink plant. See, as soon as it eats, it will turn around. The zombie is fighting for us. If there was another zombie behind it, it would destroy that zombie also. They would fight each other. Now let's make our third barrier, which are the pea shooters. They shoot peas which destroy zombies. They cost 100 sun. See, they will shoot fast. See, they are shooting peas. They are yellow in color. They cost 100 sun, as I said. But they are not that much strong. They can also defeat normal zombie quickly. It is difficult for them to defeat cone zombies. Oh no! There is a huge wave of zombies coming ahead. The third barrier is almost done. I should build the third barrier quickly, or else the zombies will go inside my home. If they go inside the house, let me say that I will be in danger. The third barrier is strong. See these big mushrooms, their bubbles can pass through the door. No other plant has such ability, only this plant has that ability. Third barrier is not complete yet. See that black thing ate the graves. See, you saw it, it is eating the graves. Our third barrier is almost done. We need more sun to do it. So we need one more sun from the front flower, but I planted a grave buster so that it can eat the grave. The lesser the graves are, the lesser problem, because out of the graves more zombies will come when the final wave of zombies is coming. Our third barrier is complete. Let's plant a bit of fourth barrier, which are the frozen pea shooters. We need 175 sun for them. So let me tell about them later. Now see these pea shooters, they are destroying the door, and the big mushrooms are helping them by helping to destroy the zombies. Let's plant the frozen pea shooters. Let me tell you about them now. They shoot frozen peas which damage the zombies and make them slower and slower, and then their head pops out. So all these barriers are almost finished. The fourth barrier is only a bit of a little bit we will plant. Fourth barrier. See, the frozen peas are destroying the door, are breaking the door easily when they hit it. This shows that they are strong. When the door zombie has to eat the plants, it will keep the door aside. That time we can defeat it easily. See, from the graves the zombies came. These all barriers are now combining to be a mega barrier. Now comes the final wave. Oh no, we need 75 sun to plant the pink hypnotizing plant. See, we hypnotized the football zombie. Now we don't have any danger. Yippee! We planted it and we won, and now we are getting a new plant. It is the ice shroom. Now we play level 8. We discover a new dance zombie today. Now we can only have the 7th plant as either the grave busters or the large bubble shrooms. I choose the large bubble shrooms. Ready? I will choose the large ones, because if the door zombies will come, it is very dangerous. They cannot be defeated easily without this large one. But without the grave busters, there will be more and more zombies in the final wave. It's difficult to make decision. I will choose the large mushrooms. Black, 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 black. So I ready, set, plant. So guys, see you till my next video. Bye.